This is a getting started video for all of our Kickstarter backers for the CharaChorder Lite. You backed the project almost a year ago. It finally shows up in the mail, and you tear on in. First, you're going to find this custom written thank you card. You can read that if you like. Put it aside for now. And then you're going to find a special surprise. We included a custom carrying case for all of you to thank you for your patience in us getting this device to you. The box out of the way. And now we're going to open it up. Inside, remove the extra packaging. We're going to have the cable for the device, getting started guide, review that momentarily, and then, of course, we have the CharaChorder Lite. Your computer sees CharaChorder Lite as an ordinary keyboard, so to get started, all you got to do is just plug it in. You should hear an indication sound depending on the operating system you're using. The white LED should come on, followed by flashing multicolor LEDs. At that point, you're ready to type. If you do have any connectivity issues the first time you plug into your machine, try taking out this USB-C, rotating 180 degrees, and plugging back in. I've personally tested every single device before it was shipped, but if you have any compatibility issues with your particular setup, just let us know and we'll be sure to get you sorted. The first thing you're probably going to want to do is try some chords. So let's chord the word the. Rather than typing T-H-E spacebar, I'm just going to hit T-H and E all at the same time and release them all at the same time. Before we dive in too deep there, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and move to number 2. This is the generative text menu, which I activate by chording G and the dupe key. Now I'm going to hit R to go to resources, then I'm going to hit G to go to get started. That's going to open up the CharaChorder Get Started page, which has links to the wiki, the free learning software Launchpad, the chord manager, which allows you to graphically interface with all of the internal memory of your device, as well as a number of other training sites which are compatible with CharaChorder. I don't have time to go into all of them on this tutorial, but if you have questions about specific ones, please ask us. Follow the instructions here to learn how to write chords to your device on the fly without the need for the chord manager, just like that. Finally, I highly encourage you to join our Discord, which is a great way to get involved in our community, to have your questions answered by our team, and probably the fastest way to get in touch with me. Thanks for your support, and stay tuned for more content.